So recording started. So I'll put in the chart window also. I'll ping the group. So it's live. What is the foreign key concept? Why we need a foreign key? Maybe if you are already computer science background, right? You might be knowing foreign key, right? What is foreign key concept? Why we need a foreign key? In which scenario we need a foreign key? Primary key, you know, right? Already. What is foreign key? Okay, suppose this is the employee data, employee table. Okay, database table. This is a department table. Department table. Okay. So you joined here. Okay. Employee number 100. Employee name is Rajesh. Okay. Employee number is 200. Ramesh. Okay. Employee number 300. 300. Kumar. Okay. So first column is for employee number. Second one is employee name. Third one is, sorry, first one is employee number. Second one is employee name. Okay. How many records are there here? In this box, how many records are there here?
Three.
3 records. How many rows are there? How many rows are there? Data rows. 2 rows. 3 rows, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. 2 columns. How many fields?
3.
3 fields. 2 fields only, right? Employee number, employee name. Only 2. Top is the employee name. This is the employee name, number. This is employee name. Right? Employee number, employee name. Okay. Employee number is 100. Employee name is Rajesh. Employee number is 200. Kumar. Employee number 300. Okay, some Babu, for example. This is the table. Database table. Employee table. This one. Now you tell me how many fields are there. Fields.
2.
So, right? This is one field. This is one field. 2 fields. How many columns?
2 columns.
2 columns. Okay. How many records? 3 records. Okay. And this is employee table. Suppose you join in the Capgemini. Okay. Once you join as a Capgemini, especially as a fresher, okay, you will be assigned to the training department. So this is the training department. Z Capgemini training department. Okay, they will also maintain here employee number, employee name. department, technology, training department. This is the training department. Training department. Employee number, training department, technology, CP. Okay. Suppose once you joined the Capgemini, right? So you are going to get into the training department. Separate training department is there. Okay. So once you joined into the, this is the master table. This is master table, main table. Master table. Main table. Okay. So this is the, below is the child table. Nothing but dependent table. Dependent table. Okay. Now you tell me, this is employee number. Okay. Suppose in the training department table, if I enter 100, Rajesh, training department is full stack training, and then technology is a Java. City Bangalore. This is a one record. How many records? How many columns are there in the second record? This is this is second table. This is second table. This is second table. Okay, how many records are there in this table?
5, sir.
No, this is the table name. How many rows are there here? Only one row, right? This is only one row. This is the record. This is the record. Record means the values. Okay. How many columns are there in this one? This complete thing is one column only. Don't confuse. In this table, this is second table. It's the table 1. This is the table 2. Capgemini training department. Now second table, how many fields are there?
5, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the field names?
Employee number, employee name, training
Employee
department.
number, training department, technology, city. These are the column names, right? And these are the record values. One record. What is the meaning of record? Or how do you define a record? How do you define a record? Actually, all these are the very basic fundamentals of the IT, not only the ABAP. Just I am making you to understood, that's all, not to test your knowledge and all.
So complete set of data fields that.
Correct. You can say, simple, you can say group of fields data. Group of fields data, right? Group of fields or columns data. That is called one record. Records means two record, more than one record. So how many records are there in the second table? The second table, how many records are there?
1.
One record, only one row, one record. Okay. So this is a valid record or not? This employee number is allowed to enter into a training department or not? How do you check in the master table? This employee number is available or not? This is a master table. Is available or not? Hello? This employee number, this is matching, right? Hope you are focusing in class. Okay, now suppose I will enter employee number 400. Okay. Observe second record. Okay. This is also full stack. Not full stack. Say suppose SAP ABAP Hyderabad. Second record, is it a correct valid record? Do we should allow or should not allow the second record into the child table, dependent table? This is second record. This is first record completed here. Second record, is it a valid or not valid?
No, sir.
No, right? Because
It
this
is not
person
there in the master table.
not in the master table. He is not joined into the Capgemini employee master data only. You cannot make him to move into the training department as a fresher. I'm telling about the fresher data. Got the point? This is
Yes,
invalid,
sir.
right? This is invalid data. Invalid data. Since this person with the employee number 400 is not available in main table, employee table. Okay, now right, let us create two tables quickly. So what we should create? A table, employee number, employee name, employee city. Okay, so employee city is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai. Okay. So you know how to create a table. Try it. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Otherwise, I will show it. You do it. I'll show only first field. Remaining fields you should do because this is we are doing so many times already. So this is what I gave a homework also last week. Okay, first we'll create this table. I'll create a table and only one field. You should do the remaining fields. Employee number, employee name, employee city. Okay. First, what transaction should go to create a table? Which transaction code? Do it parallel with me. Which transaction code I should go to create a table?
SC11.
S11. Go to S11. Create a table. What are the naming standards to should follow for the table? Z,
Z or Y.
Z or Y. Should be very meaningful. Okay. First three characters you can give your name, but in the projects you don't give your name. You'll be given the as per the standards of the project. Document will be given. I'll share it to you later. For now, you can so that searching is easy. Employee data. Employee. Make it is very simple here. Don't give very big, you'll get a warning. I'm going very slow so that you also practice with me. Now what I should do of this? Hello. What I should do now? Click on what button should click?
Create.
Click on create. Okay. What I should go short description here? What is short description purpose?
To explain what we are doing in brief.
Yeah. What is the purpose? So employee data. What is next step?
Data class.
Right? Data class. What data class I should? Delivery class here, right? Delivery class.
Mm.
What I should choose here? Employee data will come under which data? Yesterday we discussed about the types of the data. It comes under the master data, transaction data, or customizing data.
Master and
Master
transaction.
data. Correct. Correct. Okay. Next, what is next step? Click on fields. Right. Now, what we should be the first field? First field is what is the first field?
MANDT.
MANDTS. Okay. Data element as MANDT. What is MANDT? Client, right? You can see here, right? Save it here. When you save the package, ask what package you should give. Whatever the package you have created in the last session. Any one of you not created the package, right? You can use this package, no problem. My package. Later I can tell you how to create a package. Or local object. If you choose a local object, it will not create a transport request. You can use this package, my package. Package like what is the purpose of package? Check it the chart window given package name. This is the package name. You can give my package also. What is the purpose of package? Hello?
To store our tables and programs.
Correct. It's like a folder. It will ask the pop-up. What is this pop-up telling? what is this pop-up? Transfer request, right? What is the purpose of this one? You can store your programs under the transport request so that you can move your programs from one system to other system. Press enter here. If you enter here, what will happen? If you click this, what will happen? If you click this, it will create a new transport request, right? You click on here, create new transport request, employee table, save it, enter. That's all. Okay, client is done. Next, what is the first field? Employee number. Employee number. Right, this is what we have given here. Employee number. Okay, employee number. See here, 1 minute. You, do it slowly with me. Employee number. What I should give here in the data element? We are going to create a new data element. What is the data element? Global data type. It must be start with Z. Z, EN, June. Don't give the same name. You should give a different name here. Right? Double check that employee number. Click on yes. You get a pop-up. Click on yes. Give here the short description of employee number. Go to built-in type. Numeric. Digits 3. Okay. Go to the field label. What the numeric 3 means? Anyone can tell? What is the numeric 3? Why I am choosing numeric here?
And the data type will be stored in numeric values only.
Oh, so that because generally employee number is unique only, right? So 3 means 3 digits, right? And what is the next step? What I should do? Right here. Data element, right? Employee number. Or if క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను కాల్ చేస్తా జస్ట్ ఒక few minutes కాల్ చేస్తాను. right? Go to field label. What are the purpose of field labels? Employee number. Okay. 12. You can give a little bit bigger one. Employee number. 15. Employee number. 20. Employee number. You can get a little bit big also. You can choose in the next screens and all what is the label you need. Which label you need. This is not data. It's the label only. Column heading. Save it. Check syntax. Save the same package. Enter. Activate. Okay, first one field is completed. Like that, create the remaining fields as well. I'll wait for 3 minutes. I'll go this print screen what I draw in here. Right. You should also enter the data. To go to yesterday class, I showed you how to create the data. Right here, already I created one field. Remaining 2 fields, you could do it. I put in the chart window. Try it. Create and you should enter these records also through SM30. I'll go 10 minutes time. So I'm starting the timer, 10 minutes. I can give 15 minutes also. So you should enter the data also. Using the table maintenance. Okay, then time started. You should complete the table and then data insert. You can interact with each other, no problem. You can share the screen. Someone can share the screen and guide. This is how we work in the projects. We work as a team. So we don't work as just as an individual. We help each other and we work in the project. That is very important. You can ask the question, someone will respond in our class. Now, you can go in that way. Be interactive. That's the aim of this training, not just to teach what I know. So you should create remaining 2 fields, complete the table, insert the data through TMZ, SM30 transaction code. You can refer to yesterday's session also or day before yesterday. How to create a TMZ we have done 3-4 times I have done in the class. Anyone created remaining fields? We have only 4 minutes left time. You'll get doubts, no problem, because the first time you're doing, right? You stuck up. You stuck up. You can ask now, no problem. Which step you stuck up? So 2 minutes left. Okay, done. 50 minutes over. right? Okay, so anyone could not do it, right? So you can follow me now, right? What I was telling to remaining two fields here, right? Employee name. What is second field? Third field? Employee name. Employee name. Right? Same here. We should go Z, MAHEN. Okay, it should not be having the existing one. Double click here. Click on yes. Click on yes. Give the employee name here. What is data type for employee name? Character 20. Okay, field name 10. Employee name 15. Employee name 20. Employee name 25. Employee name. This is the heading I am giving for the column. Save it in the package so that you can move this data element from one system to other system. Check syntax, activate. Okay. For the next field, one more field I said. Employee city. Employee city. EMP city. Right. Same for that also is create a data element. Data element is the data type. You are giving the data type here. So that you can use across the programs also. Here. Employee city. Press enter. Double click here. Click on yes. Yes. Employee city. Okay. Go to built-in type. Go to characters 20. Go to field label. And employee city. 15. Employee city. 20. Employee city. 25. Employee city. Save it. Text syntax. Activate. Okay. First step is completed. No. Anyone tell me what is the next step? Yes. Table is not yet completed. Only the structure I completed. What is the next step I should do? Hello?
So we have to add data.
To add the data, before that we should go here, right? Technical settings. It's mandatory, right? You are not activated. When you activate, you lost this one, mandatory. What I should give here? Data class. Master data. Size category. Why we are giving size category? What is the purpose of size category?
How many records uh,
Going
exist
to
in a
store.
table? Yes.
Correct, correct. Not existing.
I
How
mean,
many
in
records
that,
you are going to store?
in that sum.
Every word is important when we are giving the answer in the interview also. Okay. Save it here. Back. Enter. Error occurred. What is error? Think 1 minute.
Primary key.
Correct. You are right. Primary key you are not given. That's why. This is the interview question. Can you create a table with a primary key, without a primary key or not? What do you say? No. You know the answer, right? The interview question, no. Can you create a custom table without a primary key? Hmm? Hello? What do you answer if they ask the interview?
No.
No. This you can answer perfectly only when you practice it. So I should choose the primary key here. Save it now. Check syntax. Activate. Enter. Now how do you insert the data? Anyone can guide me? Through SM30, not here. Through SM30. Anyone? Why we use for SM30? SM30. Go to SM30. Usually will use SM30 transaction code to insert the data. Click on edit. You are going to get an error, right? Saying that the maintenance dialog for so and so is incomplete. How to resolve this one? How to resolve this one? This one we have done last session also. Before session. Why this error? What is this error? If I ask ChatGPT, what we should do?
We need to go to the table maintenance
Perfect.
generator.
Perfect. Very good. So go to the table, utilities, table maintenance generator. So that what it is going to do is TMZ will generate, it will create a screens, whatever that you are going to enter the data. For that, you should go for table maintenance generator. Get this screen. Anyone remember what I should do here? Authorization object, choose as ampersand, NC ampersand, means without any authorization. In the real-time projects, if authorization group is created, okay, so those authorized people only, they can insert the data into this table. That's the purpose. And what I should give function group? This function group will come across the later sessions. System will generate a function group with this table name. Okay. So this is two screens will generate. What is the 100 and 200? Hello? What is 100? What is the 200? It generates screen numbers, right? Click on create button here. Save it. Save it. Enter. Save it. Okay, now it is done. Now I'll go to SM30. System generated screens to insert the data. That's what we have done to EMZ. Right, now go to here. Again, go back bit. Give SM30. Click on edit. Still one more error is coming. This error also you know, many of you. Because this error we have seen many times. What is the error it's showing? View can only be displayed. This error is, what the purpose, why this error is coming? Because we are not maintaining the table properties here. Right here, click on back, go to delivery and maintenance. Okay, you should make it here as display maintenance allowed. Save it. Check syntax. Activate now. What I should change here? I should change it to here. Right, and go to here. Activate now. So what the purpose of this? Anyone can tell me? This one. Display maintenance allowed. What the purpose of this? Display maintenance allowed means anyone?
We can change the values from the table.
Oh. Not from the table, in the table. From should not use. Okay. So table
Okay.
records of the table can be changed, deleted, modify, create. All CRUD operations we can do. But that is must to do this one. Right. Next, go to SM30. Back. SM30. Edit. Right. Now you can insert the data. Click on new entries. Right. What the data is said here? You can, any name you can go, you know, right? I mean, anything. 100, Rajesh, Hyderabad. Okay. What is this screen number? Save it. The data will be saved now. How do you find the screen number? Go to system, status, screen number 200 here. There we have given 100 and 200. Right? Which is the 100 screen? Go back here. This is first screen. You can find out this is screen number 100. How do you know? Click on system, status, right? Screen number 100 here. That's what the screen numbers what we are given. Like this, we create two tables. Sorry, two more records or three records. Next to quickly, right? Next to quickly create what I showed you just now already, right? Create employee department table like this. Department table. What the department table structure should be? Wait 1 minute. Department number, department name, which department? Okay. Department city. Employee number. For employee number, you don't create again data element, you already created. So you create one more table, department table like this. Department table June. Don't give this name, you give your own name. Department number. You enter the values. First you create a table, then we'll see it. Create a table. Create a table with the below structure. Don't create the data element for employee number. Since you have created in the above table, just use that here. Just use that data element here. One, two, with 4 fields, you should create a table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Primary key should be only department number. Okay, given chart window. Okay. So you create one more table. I'll give you 10 minutes time. Same way how I create a department table. Okay, done. Time started. So SD class is not there, Rupa. So you can is busy. You can continue ABAP class. Okay. Na?
Okay, sir.
create this will create a foreign key after you create the table. right? Department number, department name. Department number should be primary key. Employee number, we will going to create a foreign key. Right? You should create a data elements only for the remaining fields, not for the employee number. That is the purpose of the data elements, reusability. You should copy paste the previous data element. Two minutes left. Done. Right? Have you able to create any one of you done? Department DP, right? So same steps. Go to here, S11. Okay. So ZMAH, department, June. Click on create. So another 10-15 minutes maximum. 10:45 will complete. Department table. Go to here, delivery class. You are seeing my screen, right? Hello? Maintain solid. Go to the fields. Go to MANDT. Right? MANDT. Department number. Make it this one also primary key. and create a new data element. ZMAS department number. DN June department number. Press enter. Not available. Double click here. Click on S. Save it. Enter. Click on S. Department number. DEPT number. Short description. Okay. Data type. What could be the data type for the department? Numeric. I can go 3. Go to the field labels. Go here as 10. Right? You can go department number. 15. Department number. 20. Department number. Sorry. Department number. 25. Department number. Save it. Enter. Activate. Okay. Back. Department number, department name, department city. Department name. Okay. So go ZMAH, department name. Department name, June. So I'm creating a new one. See, already is there, that's why it is coming. Department name, department name, June. Enter. Not there. Double click. Click on S. Click on S. Right? Can go as department name. Go to built-in type. Character. 20. Right? Field label. 10. Department name. 15. Department name. 20. Department name. 25. Department name. Save it. Save it. Enter. So you are saving under the transport request. Check syntax. Activate. Right? Next will department city. Go to here. Department city. Go to here. Department. ZMAH. Department city. Create a new data element. You are getting new data element. Double click here. Click on S. Yes. You go to department city. Okay. Go to built-in type. Character. Right? 20. Field label. Department city. Department city. Right? 2025. Save it here. Save it. Syntax check. Activate. Right? Now, okay, we don't need to create a employee number data element. You can use directly what you already created here. Okay. You can copy paste from the other table here. Go to other table, right? Employee number, copy paste this data element. Copy this. Enter. Save. Check syntax. Activate. So before activating technical settings, maintain the technical settings. Data class, size category, save it. Back. Check syntax. Activate. Right? So to enter the data into this table, right? Create a TMZ. First check it here. Data maintenance all node. Go to utilities. Table maintenance generator. Copy paste the table name. To generate, system will generate the function group in this name. Authorization group. Right? Two step. Click on create. Save it. Enter. Enter. Save it. Okay, click on back. Activate now. Okay. Now, how many employees are there in my employee table? Employee table. Right. How many employees are there? One employee. One more employee will add. Click on go. Go here. Change mode. You can create one more employee number. Employee number. I think I opened this one in other transaction. Here, right? A new entries. Employee number 200. Right? Babu. Mumbai. Okay. This is the parent table data. Right? Employee is the parent table here. This is the table name, right? Save now. Right? This is the table name. Go to here. How many employees are there in my employee table? This is employee table. Refresh. Hello? How many employees are available in my table? Employee master table. See this table. Data. This is my employee data. Wait, it's not coming. Here on Control Shift F4. Okay. How many records are there in this table? Hello?
2, sir.
2. What is the employee number? How
Two.
many? 100 and 200, right? So in the department number, it should not allow department table. It should not allow any other employee number if we give. Right here, I'll go to department table. It's a department table. Okay, you can enter from here also. Table contents, create entries. Okay. Department number. Go to new entries. Department number 10. Department number is SAP. Bangalore. Employee number is, suppose if I give 300, okay, it will allow or not? If employee number 300 is not yet joined into the company. Hello? I hope you are concentrating what I'm telling. Lot of concentration required, otherwise we cannot understood. It's boring. Yes. So my question here is, this is the employee number, right? We discussed foreign key. So this 300, when I enter into department table, this employee person not joined into the Capgemini, but you were trying to put into the training department table. It will allow or not?
No, sir.
Now it will allow, because we are not created foreign key, right? Got the point?
Oh.
Hello? It will allow now. Because foreign key we have not created. See, it will allow. So it should not allow, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So hence we go for the creating a relationship. What we should do, go to the child table, department table. Okay. Go to department table, go here, go here, go to the fields, put a cursor on the employee number, click on foreign key, it will ask the table name. So we can say as foreign key. Okay. Check table is nothing but parent table in SAP. Okay. You copy paste here the parent table name. What the parent table name? And the parent table name. Right? ZMAS underscore EMDJ. ZMAH underscore EMJ. Right? Click on create proposal. When you click on create proposal, their link will establish automatically here. Fields. For now, you don't think of this one. Later of some days, we'll discuss these points. But this is think here. We are creating the relationship. Means whenever the data you are going to enter into this child table, for this field value, it must be existing in the parent table employee number. That is what relationship we have done. Click on copy. Save it now. Department table. Activate. Now relationship we have created. Now try to create a new record into this table. The employee number which is not available in the parent table. That's what I'm trying to show you, explain to you. Okay, now go to here. Okay, now go back. Utilities. Table contents, create entries. You can create through SM30 also, same only. Right? New entries. Now employee number I am going to give the 400. Okay. Department name is Java. Department city is Mumbai. Employee number is, I am going to give you the 400. 400 means employee number not joined in the company. Capgemini, this is the company table, employee table. He has not joined, but you are trying to give him a department assignment. Will it allow? It will not allow. Now. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So my question is, now it will allow, it will not allow. You are entering the wrong employee number who is not joined into the Capgemini. So you created already foreign relationship. Now it should allow or it should not allow.
Not allowed, sir.
It should not allow. Right? It should not. Click on save. See here the error message. I'll show you here. Load department 1 second. Go to here. Department table. This is the employee table. Go to department table. That employee number should not allow. Let me check foreign key relationship, employee number, foreign key, copy, activated. Go to department table. This is department table. Click on new entries. Okay. This one you can give any number, department number. .NET. AI. Department city, Bangalore. Okay. So let us give as 500 here. 500 is not joined, employee number. 500 is employee number. Click on save. Do you see every message or not? Hello? Hello? What is this error message saying?
It does not exist.
Because it's not joined, right? This 500 employee is not there, right? Employee number 500 is not available in the main table, employee table. He has not joined into the Capgemini. They were trying to put him into the training department. It should not allow. So if anybody asks what is the purpose of the foreign key, what you say? Answer. That employee is not joined. The employee number. He has not joined into the company. He should not allow his details to enter into the training department or in transportation department or anywhere. So if anybody asks, what do you say? What is the purpose of this foreign key? Hello? What do you say when you ask for foreign key? What is foreign key? What do you understood, right? If unless you do this practice, you will not tell correct answer. So generally we'll tell as a definition, book is definition, book definition. Foreign key means a primary key in the parent table like that. No. So that is okay, book definition. But the concept here is, so foreign key is the concept where we have the data dependency to maintain the data integrity between the tables information. You will create a foreign key. We have to create a foreign key. Example, you can take like this. Suppose someone joined into the company. That is the employee data. Employee table is the master data. So once the person is joined into the company, that employee data is available in the employee table. Then only your system should allow into the department table while you are entering the data for the employee information. This type of definition you can give, provided we practice this hands-on clearly and understood and make a note. This is what the interview they will expect as a fresher. Okay, I stop recording here.